In this video, we are going to learn how to convert from text to numbers in Excel. Here you can see in the screen, I have write down some numbers. So these are the numbers, but Excel is treated them as text. If you try to perform any calculation with these, so sometimes it will give you an error. First, I will tell you how you can identify that the number is stored as text. Generally, the text is left aligned and the number is right aligned. Also, there is a simple formula by which you can understand is this number or text. So the formula is number, then just select the value. If it is text, then it will give you an false. See, this is showing false. I will tell you 5 ways to convert this text into a number. First, you can see there is a green smart tags and there is a exclamation symbol. If you click here and now click on convert to number, see, it's showing true. So this is the one way. Secondly, you can copy any blank cell, then just select the area and using paste special, click on add and press OK. See, this is also showing true. The third is write down 1 in any of your blank cell, then copy, then again use the special paste special option and then click on multiply and then OK. The fourth step is you can write down value formula it also convert into a number. And the fifth step is you just multiply the number with 1. Hope this video will help you to resolve your issues in a quicker way. Please encourage us by subscribing my channel. And also, if you have any questions related to Excel, VBA and SQL, you can write down in the comment section. Thanks for watching my channel.